Go. Try again. All right. Oh, nice. Good kick. I'm ready. What kind of bird is that? A cockaburl? I thought that was a plant.
That is a really annoying sound. Brittany Mom is cooking some steaks over the charcoal. Hickory fire. Yeah. What you got there? A Truly? Is that a step up or a step down from a White Claw?
I know, like White Claws.
No.
Will Davidson, WD-30 himself. So,
Outdoor 608.
for those of you who don't know, when we get a coin in the cup,
There we
we
go.
raise up our cups. So,
That's that dancing.
Be sure to check out Dan at Back 40's live stream every Friday night. I'm not very good at the class.
No.
No, not really.
Beautiful morning, but man. What the? We'll find that damn bird. Man. That was going on all night. I barely get any sleep. Where is that thing at? That thing has kept us awake all night long. It's time to get rid of that. Brittany, go get the gun. No more whippoorwill.